Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can install latest version of Microsoft Office 2024. First, just create a folder on your desktop, right click, folder, name it Office 2024. Then go to Google, search for Office Deployment Tool. Download Office Deployment Tool. Click download. Now it is downloaded. Just go to downloaders, find your Office Deployment Tool. Yes, that's my Office Deployment Tool. Just right click, run as administrator. Yes. Click here, continue. Find your folder on desktop. That's my folder. Just select it. OK. File is extracted successfully. Great. Open new tab. Search for Office Customization Tool. Office Customization Tool. Enter. Click this one. From here, my PC64. I select 64. Select Office Suite Protected. I selected Office LTS Standard 2024 Volume License. This one. Additional partner. Select this one. Latest. I don't need OneDrive. I don't need Outlook. I don't need Publisher. I need Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, Word. I need Excel, Word, PowerPoint, nothing more. Next. Language. I selected English, United States. I don't need additional language. Next. Just next. Turn this one off. Next. KMS. Next. Next. Scroll down. Export. This one. OK. I accept. Export. Good. That's the configuration file. Just control copy. Bring it to this folder. Control V. Now you can delete all these ones. You just need this one. Please, the name of configuration file different. Just you can rename it to configuration. Great. Now just select this. Control X. Take it to disk C. Here. Control V. Now open it. Copy this path. Control C. From here, open command prompt. Please run it as administrator, otherwise it doesn't work. Yes. You see the path must be like this, not too long. Just insert CD space Control V. Enter. Then go to Google, open another tab, search for Deploy Office 2024. This one. Scroll down. I need this console. Just copy. Come back to command prompt. Control V. Enter. You just have to wait, nothing more. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort. It is done. Just close. From here, search for Word, for example, or Excel. Open. That's it. Have a nice time.